How sharp should you sharpen your mower blades? There seems to be lots of disagreement on this subject, with disagreements even reaching to the manufacturers. You can see the OEM blades here. This one's Husqvarna. You can see it's got a little bit of a blade on there, but not super sharp. This one here has got more sharpness to it. This is an MTD 22-inch push mower blade, and then this here is a John Deere blade, and this is razor sharp. This is a knife. So, how sharp should you sharpen your blades? Well, I'm going to say it depends on your lawn. You're going to want the sharpest blade you can get without dulling it fast. So, the sharper your blade is, the faster it's going to dull when it hits rocks. So if you have a more rocky, mulchy, rough lawn, I'd go with a little duller so that there's more blade edge on there to resist getting beat up by rocks. If you have a perfect golf-style lawn that's just a nice, lush grass, then go a little sharper. Because, like I said, the sharpest blade possible without dulling fast is what you want. It's the best for the grass. It'll give the nicest looking cut.